I had a total hip replacement. Before surgery, I was having considerable pain with, walking, not biking so much, but it was also the off season. So strength training became the thing that I did before surgery. And the best way I can say, I can talk about how it impacted me was I think I took a 2-week break after surgery. I started back with strength training as soon as I could. I think it might have only been a week, but because I was stronger and I felt stronger going into the surgery, and my body adapted and I was able to get right back into it. And I was back to full function, full activities within 3 months after surgery. For me, I thought it was going to be much longer than that. And the surgeons too had said, well, you'd probably be 80% in that time. Look, give yourself a year to get back. And I had drastically cut that time. And it was largely because of strength training and being consistent with strength training both before and after.